Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is my Kupada, a legal internet licensing company. Today's topic of discussion is a part, or you can say a most important part of the thing we are most frequent with, our most familiar with the terms proved, disproved, and not proved. These all terms are defined un, uh, under section 3 of Indian Evidence Act. So we'll start with proved. What is proved? As the term, as all we know, if during a trial someone claims something, claims a fact, that this fact the petitioner says a fact and the defense says a fact. If the fact claimed by the petitioner is proved, all the evidences, or you can say the fact has been substantiated by the witnesses statements, by the evidence collected during the investigation, everything, and the all the evidences, all the statements are familiar, all the documents collected are familiar, are in favor of the fact as stated by the plaintiff, then we say a fact has been proved in the case. So that is the proof. And what is disproved? Disproved is obviously the opposite of the not of proved. For example, if I claim that my car, if I claim my pan has been stolen by my brother, I filed a suit against him. And during the trial, if my claim is if the fact that my my pan was stolen by him was substantiated by the was you can say what has been weighted by other evidences collected, by statements recorded and everything, then the statement is proved. And if the evidences collected, the statements given are in his favor, then the court will say the fact has not been proved, it is disproved. That what is not proved? Not proved is something in middle of both the things. Proved, it is a fact that can neither be said to be proved nor disproved. It is a fact that was never established. For example, the same example I said that my brother stolen my pen and I filed a suit for the same. The fact in issue is the pen stolen by my brother. For this fact in issue to be resolved, for to the court to decide whether my pen was stolen by my brother or not, the the court needs to prove the court needs the or you can say the my counsel needs to prove that my pen was stolen. So the chain is, for proving the fact in issue, the facts need to be proved. If the Either the fact can be proved or it cannot be proved. But what if the fact never established? If my counsel failed to establish that my pen was ever stolen, if the if the defense proved that my pen was never stolen, then the fact I said was never established. So there is not a point of point or you can say there was never a question whether my pen was stolen by him or not, because my pen was never stolen. The fact I am stating was never exist. So it means it was never proved. Proved means proved is proved this fact and issue. Proved, disproved are related with the fact and issue. Means whether my pen was stolen by my brother. If it is established by the state evidences that yes, it was stolen by my brother, then the fact and issue is said to be proved. If it is established that no, it was not stolen by him, then the fact and issue is disproved. But if it before proving and disproving the fact and issue, it is established by the defense counsel that my pen was never stolen. So the question whether my brother stolen it or not never exists. So my fact was never proved. My fact is not proved because it was never established. It cannot be said that it was proved or disproved because it never came into existence before the court. The fact and issue would come after when the fact is established. Now we consider another example. For example, if someone claimed that my jewelry has been stolen from my home, and the police, police and the accused or suspected person was was a neighbor, the trial begins. Court find out that her jewelry was never stolen. It's even and she was the one who forgot that she already deposited in the bank. So in that case, the fact was never proved, was never disproved. What is fact here? Fact in issue, whether the jewelry was stolen by her neighbor. In both, if it was stolen, that fact is proved. If it was stolen by him, the fact is proved. If it is not stolen by him, the fact is disproved. But the fact in issue comes after when the fact is established itself. The fact is the jewelry was stolen. If the jewelry is not stolen, then the fact in issue never came to. So, if the council says the jewelry never the jewelry was never stolen from a house, the jewelry never escaped, never went out from a house, then the fact in question was not proved at all. So the question of proving or disproving it never came before the court. So that's all about it. That's a small topic, and that's all about the proof, disprove, and not proof. Hope you like this video. Do like and share the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.